Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Magistrate report on Bali implicates police. Police were mute spectators to Mangesh and Dilip's murder. Intelligence failure led to inadequacy of police force, says report. BBSM claims support of the BJP, NCP, MGP and Shiv Sena in the Bandh, appeals all people to make Bandh a success. Schools may stay open on Monday, but it all depends upon whether to send their children to schools or not, say headmasters. State yet to issue circular on grants to English. Government sources say it's already too late. Over in sports, Joy Ferrao and Coco Sakibo's departure leaves Vasco with a huge hole to fill in the strikers department. Vasco Sports Club faced with steep challenge to rebuild side. And now the news in detail. The magisterial inquiry report on Bali carnage has implicated police. The report has mentioned that police played mute spectators when Mangesh and Dilip were murdered. It also states that intelligence of police department failed, which led to inadequate police force at Bali.
Finally, the magistrate Mihir Vardhan's inquiry report on Bali carnage is submitted to Home Department. Report reveals many shockers and is too hot to handle for Home Department. Prudent has got some exclusive and sensational revelation about the report. Magistrate Mihir Vardhan's report holds police responsible for the whole Bali carnage episode. The report says intelligence failure on the part of police, inadequate police force at the site. This report doesn't stop firing at the police here itself. There are more serious charges on police department. Report says police played mute spectators when Mangesh and Dilip were killed. Mangesh and Dilip were murdered. Police mute spectators to the murder. Attack on UTA activist, a conspiracy. Report also points out at UTA activists violent act. Demolition of government properties. Attack on police officials.
He's given some finding on these things, but we'll have to study that. I'll not able to say right now, but anything goes wrong, certainly always, otherwise it should have been like any other day. Some lapses must be there and we should learn out of it. Any lapse is there, any lapse is, gives opportunity to improve. We'll be happy to improve further.
Was UTA's violence a well-planned act? How much is South Goa collector guilty in all this episode? All these details are yet to come out. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
BBSM has appealed to all the MLAs and ministers opposing the decision of government on MOI to come forth and support the Bandh on Monday. BBSM has appealed the mass opposing English as medium of instruction to march forward and make the Bandh a success. The Munch has also alleged that some of the police officials are threatening the activists supporting the Bandh.
BBSM have pledged to make Goa Bandh on 6th June a success. President of Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch Shashikala Kakodkar has appealed all the MLAs and ministers opposing the government decision to get united and support the Bandh and make it a success. Some of the MLAs of Congress, BJP, NCP and MGP will support the Bandh on 6th June.
ताणे आता पब्लिकली आमच्या बरोबर येवचे म्हणून खंय खंयचे आमचे कार्यक्रम जातले तातून आनी परवाच्या हातून जर तांणी लोकांक तांच्या हांकां कार्यकर्त्यांक तांणी सांगचें की तांणी जाहीर रित्या सांगचें की आमचो तुमकां पाठिंबो आसा म्हणून एमजीचे दोग जाण जे आसा एक आमचो तांचो अध्यक्ष पक्षाचो आनी एक तो मिनिस्टर आसा तांणी बी म्हणलां खूबदां सांगलां पण आमचे आतां तांकां एक विनवणी आसा म्हणजे विनंती अशी आसा की ताणें आतां खरें तशें तें आसा म्हणून सांगून करचे परस ताणें भायर सरपाचो एक वेळ आयिल्ली आसा. बरेचशे जे हे आसात आमदार आसात उदाहरणार्थ दयानंद नार्वेकर आनी बाकीचे बाबू आजगांवकार, कवळेकर, श्याम सातर्डेकर असे अनेकशे आसात. तांणी सांगलां उघडपणे की आमी आसा म्हणून. आणि तांणी मात्र आमी कितें भायर सरचेना कितें पूण आमचो सर्व संपूर्ण पाठिंबो ह्या बंदाक आसा.
Around 250 organizations have assured their support for the Monday Bandh. Manch said that this agitation will continue till government withdraws its decision. Kakodkar alleged that police officials are threatening the people working in support for the Bandh.
साधारणपणे आतापर्यंत आमचे कडेन जी कटिंग्स आसा पेपरची ती जर केली कमीत कमी 250 संस्थांनी म्हणजे मोठे जास्त पाठिंबा दिल्लो आसा ह्याका.
The Manch has appealed the parents not to send their children to school on Monday in support of the Bandh. Our reporter in Panji, Basuri Desai, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch is all set to observe Goa Bandh on Monday. Manch is mobilizing people from all sections of society to participate in the protest. Manch is not worried about preventive arrest. Many schools across Goa are also expected to remain closed on Monday. Meanwhile, state authorities have also geared up to minimize any impact of the Bandh.
Goa Bandh has been called by Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch, but Manch has also garnered support from other political outfits such as Bharatiya Janata Party. On Friday and Saturday, Manch members along with their convener Shashikala Kakodkar went to Madgaon and Panji markets to mobilize support for the Bandh. Kakodkar was accompanied by BJP members and some educationists. In Madgaon, youngsters also performed a street play emphasizing on local languages.
इंग्लिश ही व्यवहारिक भाषा
होय इंग्लिश सायन्स शिकयता पूण अंतर्ज्ञान न्हय.
आमची भाषा मेरा किया आमची गोंय मेरा किया
Manch members also with Tai went to every shop and vendors in Madgaon and Panji markets explaining them the importance of regional languages. Sources say police are likely to do preventive arrest of Manch members on Monday. But Manch members are not afraid of any police action. They say their campaign will continue even after Bandh.
लोकांचो सामको इतलो रिस्पॉन्स आसा पाठिंबो आसा सगळे कडल्यान पेडण्या पासून ते काणकोण पर्यंत सगळ्या भागात कोण कोण प्रिव्हेंटिव्ह कोणाचे करतले म्हजे करतले म्हाजे पयलीं करा म्हणून सांग तांकां बाकीचे आमच्या लोकांचे करचे परस म्हजो पयलीं करा म्हणून सांगा आनी मागीर दुसऱ्यांक हात लाय.
Both in Madgaon and Panji, Manch has received good response. Many are ready to close down their shops to observe the Bandh in Goa.
आमी कोंकणी उलयता कोंकणीच उलयता न्ही आमी येता उलयना न्हू.
सगळे दवरले आमी दवरचे पडटा न्हू सगळ्या सोडून आमी ना.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Just 2 days are remaining for schools to reopen, and Education Department is yet to issue a circular to schools on medium of instruction. Education Department is supposed to inform schools about decision taken by the government on medium of instruction and grants. Education Director says they are finalizing the circular and then it would be sent to schools. But sources say it is already too late. Circular should have been issued at least by 3rd of June.
On 25th May, State Cabinet decided to give grants to aided and non-aided primary English schools. Cabinet also decided to allow aided primary and government schools to start English medium in primary standards. Now, even after 10 days of Cabinet decision, Education Department has not yet sent circulars to schools informing about this government decision. The circular is supposed to give details of procedure to start new English classes in primary standards and requirements for getting government aid. Schools are reopening on Monday, that is 6 June, in spite of Bandh called by Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch. When contacted, this is what Education Director Selza Pinto said. Department is finalizing the circular on government's decision on medium of instruction. Once the circular is ready, it will be sent to schools. There is no need to notify the decision on medium of instruction. But many in government are not happy over this delay in issuing circular. Sources in the government say the circular on medium of instruction should have reached in school at least by Friday, that is 3rd June, but sadly it is yet to be issued. Sources feel if the circular is further delayed, then it would be very difficult for schools to start new English classes at primary level. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.